Learning another language is not only learning different words for the same things, but learning different way to think about things. This is a quote from a world-renowned journalist, Flora Lewis, that shows us the power of language and learning different language. I can confidently and proudly say, language changed the way we communicate, like a bridge connecting two islands. Without it, we stay isolated and can't grow. Of course, language changed the way we think too. It's like a key unlocking new rooms in our mind. Different words bring different ideas. And the crucial one, language change our life. Language is like a map that leads us to the new places. The more language we learn, the bigger our world becomes. I'm sure we all know that English is international language. It's not only a bridge of communication, but also a strong foundation for building everyone's career and self-development. But the question is, what about our local language? Where do we take it? Is it still important to preserve our local language? If so, how can we collaborate in English and our local language to strengthen our skills and support our careers? So today, I'm Naina Habibah from Politeknik Negeri Tanah, Laut, and I will share with you the strategy to collaborate with international language, which is English, and our local language as our power in this life, especially as a student, to have great college life, promising career, and attract recruiters after you graduate from college. Now, I'm going to ask all of you to imagine yourself as superhero. Imagine yourself as a superhero who possesses the power of international language in his right hand and the power of local language in his left. This power will be used together to improve soft skill and abilities as a student, so that it can support a successful and extraordinary career, both while you are still in college and after you graduate. Okay, superhero, I will explain to you how to effectively use the power in both of your hands by providing 3 strategies for developing your habits. First, strengthening your public speaking skills. To strengthen your public speaking skills, let's use the active bilingual learning strategy. This strategy is asking you to learn something by watching a video. I like this. It's so interactive. You can choose the video you want to watch, whether it's about your field of study, your expertise, your passion, or even a cooking tutorial for your dinner tonight. But don't forget to take a note to make it more memorable in your mind. Thereafter, make a video with 2 versions. Record yourself explaining what you learned in the English version and the local version for some topic. It doesn't have to be long. Even 30 seconds until 1 minute is fine. And if you make a mistake, it's fine too. It might look simple, but trust me, the impact is so wonderful. Do this every day and feel the benefit. You will get super 3-in-1 benefits. A sharper understanding of the material due to frequent repetition, more fluent international and local language skills, and an increase in your public speaking skills. Second, improving problem-solving skills with multilingual solution mapping. Solving complex problems becomes richer when we map them bilingually. In strategy, you just have to follow a super simple step. First, take a problem each day to solve. You can take it from a daily life problem, a problem that is related to your field of study, or even you can ask AI to give it to you. After that, mapping the problem with local language, and then mapping the solution with English. By integrating both language, your brain will be stimulated to think more critically and more broadly. And of course, encourage thinking that is locally relevant with international standards. Finally, get into the habit of journaling in both local and international language. You can keep a daily journal of time management, time blocking, to-do lists, daily planners, budget planners, and many more. By doing this every day, you will get used to using international language but still preserve your local language and encourage others to do the same. Remember, you are a superhero with a mission to use the power of international language and local language. So, if you are already familiar with these strategies, start encouraging others to do so that more people can successfully master international language and preserve and strengthen local language. Nothing easy is meaningful, and nothing meaningful is easy. I'm Naina Habibah from Politeknik Negeri Tanah Laut. Thank you very much.